Magandang hapon po ng Friday, December 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, December 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng December 6, 2024, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, December 6, 2024. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645 for December 6, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, December 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.